The next step in this process is to modify our code slightly, and we're going to use templates. So in your folder, your FLASKblog folder, you need to make a little subfolder which is in with your FLASKblog Pi program, subfolder called templates, and inside that folder called templates you're going to save your index page, or if you like, your Dreamweaver page, your HTML code. So, taking our code from the last tutorial, we're going to comment out all of this. Okay, we're going to comment all that out, and we're going to replace it with this line. So when we're returning, we're going to return the render template. And to start up here, where you have your importing your module from Flask, import Flask, put a comma, space, and then put render underscore template. Everything else is the same. And when we came down here to put all of this code in here under return, we're going to comment that out, and we're going to put in return space render underscore template, and then quote index.html. So when the program is run, it'll look for a folder called templates, and it'll find that index page, and it'll basically substitute that index page in for all of this. Okay, so if I run that and I'll put all my command line and everything in there, again I will get this page here, and I'll put in as a title Wheel of Fortune. That was done in Dreamweaver, so instead of just untitled document, put in Wheel of Fortune there. You can set it out however you like. You can put those yellow squares in to indicate that there's a space between words, etc., etc., whatever you want to put in. So you can basically do your index page up independently of your Python code. And I think from here we might also be able to add in some buttons to choose our letters to add some interactivity to it. So that's, have a go at that, and that should work okay.